So this is my first look at my new toy here. It's a Icom R1500 communication receiver. The difference between an Icom R1500 and a PCR-1500 is this remote head. It was $100 more for the unit with the remote head, and I thought that might be kind of cool just to have it. So anyways, the unit's kind of small, compact. You can see there's really not much to it. This isn't the antenna that came with it. Comes with a sticky antenna you can stick on a window. Just for my testing here, that I stuck a regular whip antenna on it. Anyway, so the first thing you do is you turn the power unit on. There's only one switch on the whole unit. The speaker's in the top. On the control head, you press the power button. It's kind of a cool control head. It's kind of tiny compared to everything else. There's a 1, 2, 3, about 10 buttons and knobs on it. This is a control knob. I have it set up here so you can, for a local radio station.
Plus, we have a clearance sale going on with.
It's got a meter on it, busy. Shows you FM, AM, upper sideband or lower sideband. Actually, just a sideband on it. There's lots of functions. You can change the tuning step, set memories, pretty much all kinds of stuff. I haven't really got into this control head yet. I've been more focused on the PC base of the receiver, because you can hook this unit up through a USB port on your computer, and you can do all your scanning and your monitoring that way. Alright, I'm gonna not even bother showing you this control head, but it's kind of cool. You could probably mount it in a car on a dash and do everything from HF monitoring to VHF monitoring, whatever you want to do. Anyway, so now I've got the unit hooked up to my USB cable. It's just sitting on top of my Icom here. If you look at my screen, this is I don't know how well this is going to turn out. This is the screen you actually see. Let me get a good shot of it here. So once again, I got it on a local radio station. The unit itself tunes through, I think it's 3 kilohertz all the way up to 3.2 gigahertz. So basically, it tunes a lot of the pretty much everything. It was a decision between this and a Yamaha or a Yaesu VR-5000 receiver. What you can see here is that's the tuning. You have a lot more options here than you do with the control head. I'm going to just turn it down here for a second. You key in any frequency you want. We can do there's Cuba. And I also have the band scope on. Now I have a crappy antenna on here, so it's probably not going to pick up very much. Oh, it's in sideband mode, sorry. There's a squelch and at your tuning, at your squelch, there's a whole bunch of filters here. There's your IF shift. Keypad inputs are like my R75s up here. Gets a little confusing in the number. You can change the tuning steps down here. These are current stations. I like this feature where I can see stuff going on and click on it, and then it changes to approximately the frequency. Now, I may be using this section here wrong. I'm not exactly pro on exactly what this is doing. But it doesn't work in the sideband mode. If you're in upper or lower sideband on anything, it cuts the audio, but it still shows you what's happening. So if you're down around the handband here, it's difficult to see what's going on, or hear what's going on anyway. It's got several banks. Programming memory bank is kind of easy. That's one of the cool parts about this. You get this cool memory bank editor. I set up some stuff last night. This is the space shuttle. For all the space shuttle communications, because we were trying this out outside. Basically, you type in the name you want here, the frequency, you can set your modes, your filters, all of that. Name the band up here, or name the bank, which is 00. You can name it, and then the program will actually scan the bank. So if I go to if I go and select the bank 00, it shows me my space shuttle bank, and then it shows me the frequencies for the space shuttle. These are just some frequencies I pulled off the internet. I also have the local police set up in here. Now you can do a bank scan somehow. I forgot how to do it again. I'm still figuring this out. If I somehow switch to, oh, this is TV stations. Okay, so I figured it out. I had to get the instruction manual and figure out how to do it again. Instruction manual is basically your best friend here. Some of the stuff isn't as easily labeled. So right now it's scanning through my local police, but it's a trunk-based system, so there's a couple control channels in here. For some reason it keeps scanning something at 500 megahertz. I haven't figured out what exactly it's doing. It doesn't do trunking or anything fancy like that. But it does pick up the police. Now there is programs available from another source that will do trunking on this radio. Let me show you some of the other modes available here. There's just different panels. There's a larger panel with everything broken down, I guess, so you can get rid of stuff. I don't know exactly why you'd want to use that one. There's a compact panel.
Here so far is a male, Indian in appearance, 30 years of age.
I seem to like this panel a lot. It's got everything all in one unit. If anyone out there knows exactly what this is doing, or if I'm doing something wrong here, just let me know. I'm not too sure on how it works. Yeah, it pretty much does all frequencies here. You can key in all the frequencies you want, and it pretty much picks anything up. That's our weather station. Apparently it's got a weather channel thing in it. Automatically alert you, but when it's on its alert cycle, it makes a break every 5 seconds. Oh well, not too bad. I'll post another video when I actually figure out exactly what I'm doing here. It's still kind of a new toy. Anyway.